For this activity we require drawing book, crayon box, black sketch pen, pencil and eraser. Now I will draw candle from number 1. Okay. Draw standing line. It is number 1 and draw another parallel line like this. Line like this. Another sleeping line and curve. Okay. Now draw slanting line like this. Okay. Now here draw wave lines like this. So it is our candle. Now I will draw number 2. And I will draw carrot from number 2. Okay. Draw leaves like this. So we will color it. Okay. Now I am going to color candle with blue color. You can choose any color. Color the outline like this. And color it. I am using red color. And yellow color also. I will color carrot from orange color. Draw outline. And color it. For its leaf, I am using green color. So children, have you understood how to draw this? Okay, bye bye.